Hi children, good morning everyone. How are you children? In previous class already I explained no EVS part 2. Part 2. Now I am going to explain safety in trains part 3. In previous class what I am explained children? Safety in the school. Now I am going to explain what is that safety in the train part 3. Okay, here already I wrote some points here children. Listen carefully. Here you open course book children. Open course book, page number is the 66. Open all of you, 66 page number here. So many pictures are there. I will read here children. Look for signboards and notices on the platform when you are waiting for a train on the platform. Do not stand on the edges. Yes, whenever going to another places, you want to go into railway station now children. So in the railway stations you stand properly. Why? Because trains coming here and there coming and going, no trains. So that's why you should properly stand in the railway station. Edges don't go. Edges are there children. On the platform edges are there, so don't go near to edges. Why? Because you fall down whenever going to railway station. You don't go to edges. Why? Because trains moving here and there and moving, coming and going, no trains. So that's why you don't go near to edges. On the platforms are there, na platforms edges are there, so you don't go near to edges, and you stand properly whenever coming trains. You standing in the line. First you standing in the line and properly climb the train. Okay, and some members climb not properly. So that is the not good children. Whenever you go into another place, what will do children? You want to climb the train, no? So on the time also you standing in the line, you climb the properly on the into train. Okay, some members moving train here and there, moving and getting to outside and getting to trains whenever. So that is the not good children. Already I wrote here one point here. Never get into a running train. Train is running, going, no. So but some members and running very fast and get into train. That is the good, na? No. So otherwise what will do children? You fall down. On the time only you fall down. And here, never get out of your running train. Whenever moving train, you don't come outside. First train stop there, and after you slowly come outside only. Okay, and when don't come outside, never get out of running train. Whenever coming running train, so on that time you carefully. Okay, and next never get into, already I told, no, never eat anything from strangers in the train. So in the buses also so many strangers are there, in the trains also so many strangers are there side by you. So on the others give you for you some things, snacks and anything give you for you. So on the time you what will do children? Your parents along with you. Parents, no, you going another way along with your parents. So your hands, you should hold your parents' hands only. Don't leave your parents' hands. Why? Because in railway stations so many strangers are there. In railway so many thieves are there. Thieves, దొంగలు తెలుసు కదా మీకు. thieves are దొంగలు చాలా మంది ఉంటారు. thieves are there in the railway station. So that's whatever I am telling. Children, listen carefully. So on that time, not a railway station, bus stop, railway station, and in a park. Whenever you going another place, so on that time, you don't leave your parent hands. You hold your must and should you hold your parent hand. Don't leave that hand. Okay. So many thieves are there. So many strangers are there in the police station, in the railway station, and bus stop. Okay. So that's why I'm telling. Be careful. Strangers are there na. In the trains also, strangers giving for you snacks and so many things, toys. So these things are giving for you. So on that time, don't take that type of snacks. Why? Because so many thieves are there, no? So that's why be careful in the trains. Don't take from that strangers anything. Okay. And next, never stand at the door while the train is moving. Some members standing near to door. Train doors are there, na children. Train doors are there. Some members standing near to doors. That is good, na. Train is moving. Train is moving, but train is moving. Some members are standing near to door. So on the time, you stand properly. Otherwise, what will do, children? What to do on that time? You fall down. So that's why don't stand near to doors. You come inside and sitting in seats are there. In the trains, seats are there, na. So you should sit on the seats. Okay. Don't go near to train doors. Don't stand. Main, don't stand near to train doors. And never put your head. Some members, some children's, main children's watching and nature outside moving train. Some children's what will do? Some children's in the train watching nature, some trees and buildings outside are there, na. So they are watching in the windows. So on that time, some children's hands or heads keeping outside and see and watching the nature, watching all watching. So that is the not good, children. Your hands and your heads don't keep outside, children. Okay. Whenever you going to other places, in a bus, in a train, you sit properly. Don't keep outside your hands and your heads. That is the too dangerous. Okay. That is the too dangerous, children. And never cross the track. Always use the foot over bridge. Yes. Track is there, na children. On the track only moving the train, children. On the track only moving the train. So some members now on the road, so many vehicles are there. Motorcycles, lorries and cars, so many vehicles are there. So many vehicles going and coming on the road. So like in the track also, trains going on the track. Okay. Whenever you cross the road, you should cross the zebra crossing. Okay. Like you never cross the tracks, railway tracks. Never cross the railway tracks. Why? Because on that time train is coming. What will do? What happened, children? Yes, train accidents. On the time train accidents happening. So that's why I'm telling, don't cross the railway tracks. Okay. Help. You take others' help. Elders are there, na. You take help help of elders. You alone don't cross the railway track. Bridges are there, side or bridges are there now. So on the in that bridges only you stand, that don't cross the railway tracks, children. And that is the whenever you going to another place, your bags, be careful your bags. You should write your name, or tags are there, tags is there, so you attach the tags, children, your bags. Okay, your luggages are there now. Whenever you going to another place, your luggage, so much luggage is there, so be careful to the luggages, children. Why? Because thieves are there in the railway stations, bus stops, no. So first of all you write your name, and otherwise what tag is there, you attach that tag to your luggage. Okay, that is the good. Why? After otherwise your luggage is lost. Okay, in whenever you going to another places, what should tag your luggage to your luggages, otherwise your name you should write on your luggages. Okay, and you first of all, your small children's, no, you and the luggages, very be careful, children. Always you hold your parent hand, don't leave your parent hand. Why? Because already I told, no, you are small kids, you don't know anything, you don't know anything, so that's what I'm telling you. Don't leave your parent hand, you always hold your parent hand only. Okay, and that is the good. Next, children, never fly a kite, never fly a kite. So some children flying a kite, no, on the building, on the roof. Some children flying a kite, some children flying a kite on the roof, so that is the not good, children. What is that? Open playgrounds are there, no, children. Parks, open playgrounds are there, no? You go to playgrounds, on in that place only you flying the kites, but don't go up building, you don't go up building up. Okay, why? Because when you fall down. And using a sharp thread, it cut your finger, children. Sharp thread means this much sharp threads are there, na, children. What is that? Flying kites thread is there, na. So another remaining another things are there. So many sharp threads are there, children. Don't use that type of sharp threads. Otherwise, it can cut your fingers. That is the very dangerous. Too dangerous. You also and others also too dangerous. So that's why don't use that type of sharp threads. Okay. In the rainy season also, some children flying kites, children. So that also not good, children. Be careful. In the rainy season also, don't come outside. Why? Because whenever in the rainy season, whenever you come to outside, on the road, water is there. So on the water you fall down, and whenever you come to flying the kites, not good in the rainy season. Okay, you take help from others, children. That is the good manner. Okay, don't come outside in the rainy season. And on the terrace, in the edges of some children's terrace are there, na, corridors in your houses, corridors, terraces is there, na, children. So in the corridors, some children seeing like this, seeing outside, seeing like this. So this one also not good, children. Your leg slip means what will do? You fall down. Understood, na? So whenever you come to corridors, you take help of elders. So along you only don't come to corridors, terrace. Okay, and flying kites also don't do like this. Okay, and much traffic is there, children. On the time also some members take to come along with the pet animals. That is good na. On the road so many vehicles are there, so much traffic is there. On the time also so many members dogs, pet animals is there na. So along with the pet animals coming on the road, so that is the not good. You also, children, whenever coming to on the road, if anybody not there, yeah, on the road, on the time also, on the time only you come to on the road. That only you take help of others, elder children. First, whenever you want to come to on the road, what will do, children? You take help of elders first. Okay, you alone don't come on the road. That is the be careful, children. Flying kites on the roof, don't do like that. Okay, already I wrote here on the points. These points you write in your notebook, children. Here, when you are waiting for a train, whenever you waiting for train, on the time you standing on the platform, no, so you stand properly. Otherwise, what will do? Something happening. Train on the platform. Do not stand on the edges. Yes. Whenever you waiting for a train, you in the railway station, you waiting for train. So on the time, what will do, children? You standing properly. Don't go near to edges. Already I told na. Do not stand on the edges. Yes. And next, never get into a running train. Yes. Running, moving train. So on the time, never get into a running train. And next, never get out of a running train. Some members moving train. Some members coming outside. So that is the good now. No. Otherwise, that members is falling down. Something happening on the time. So never get out of a running train. And next, never stand at the door while the train is moving. Yes, train is moving. Train is moving, no? So on the time, don't stand near to door. Never stand at the door while the train moving. Train is moving, no? So on the time, don't stand near to door. And never cross the tracks. Already I told the tracks are there, na? On the track only, trains going and coming. Okay, never cross the tracks and always use the foot over bridge. And next, do not use a sharp thread. Already I told you, sharp threads are there. Flying kites thread, you using threads, no? So some threads are there. That is the sharp threads. Don't use that type of threads. It can cut your fingers, and others also too dangerous. And others also too dangerous, children. So that's what I am telling. Do not use a sharp thread. And in the houses also, don't use sharp things are there in your houses. Also sharp things, a knife. What is that? Matchbox, knife, scissors. These things are there. Na? Some children are playing with these objects. Children, if you playing with that objects, next something happening. What is that? Cut your finger. It can cut finger. What is that? And fire. Matchbox. What? Coming fire, no? So burn your finger. So that's why what I am telling. These things in your home also, be careful, be safe, children. Okay, don't use these type of things. And school also, be careful anywhere. Why? Because you don't know anything. You are also small kids, no? So that's why wherever going to another place, and in the schools, houses, and on the road also, anywhere you should save yourselves. Be careful. Okay, be careful, children. these points keep in your mind, and these points should write in your notebook. Should write in your notebook, children. I hope all of you understood. First, what I am telling children, safety on the road, how to moving on the road, already I explained. Be safe on the road. And next, part 2, be safe on the school, be safe in the school and home also. And part 3, be safe in the railway stations and bus stops. Okay, these points keep in your mind and write your notebook, children. I hope all of you understood this. After I will ask questions. These points only I will ask. Whenever I will ask these points, you should write in your notebook and post my WhatsApp only. Okay, take care, children. Thank you so much.